You might have heard great things about Australia and New Zealand, but did you know that according to the World Health Organization, Australia ranks among the top 5 countries globally for healthcare quality, and New Zealand also recognized for its excellent health services? This means that as a pharmacist in these countries, you will be part of their top-notch healthcare systems. But before we dive into our books, let's make sure you check off the eligibility requirements and avoid any late-minute mistakes along the way. And as always, Academically has got your back with everything you need to know. So like, share and subscribe. To sit for the OPRA exam in Australia, you need to hold a Bachelor's of Pharmacy B.Pharm or a Doctor of Pharmacy Pharm.D complete with mark sheets and degree certificates. Also, you must have an active registration with the State Pharmacy Council in your home country as a practicing pharmacist. Once these boxes are ticked off, you are all set to sit for the OPRA exam for Australia. Now for New Zealand, the requirements are similar but with an added layer. You need a Bachelor of Pharmacy B.Pharm or a Doctor of Pharmacy Pharm.D degree and active registration as a pharmacist in your home country. Plus, a minimum of 1 year of working experience is required in retail or hospital pharmacy. Applying can definitely feel a bit overwhelming times, especially with all the paperwork and standards involved, but trust me, preparation is everything. Make sure your documents are complete, your English proficiency is proven and your university is APC approved. With everything in place, you will be ready to smash the OPRA exam and move one step closer to a career in Australia or New Zealand's rewarding healthcare systems. Need a little extra help? We have got you covered. Academically offers personalized guidance to make the OPRA process as smooth as possible. Book a free 101 consultation today and we will walk you through every step, helping you get it right the first time. Also check out our preparation course for OPRA by clicking the link in the description below. Great opportunities are definitely waiting for you guys, and the OPRA exam is your key to opening those doors. Prepare yourself and make that move towards a fulfilling career in Australia or New Zealand's healthcare field. This is Sunidhi Shahi signing off. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.